for anybody that's even remotely like me that like is quite clueless when it comes to sharpening knives. I mean, I've watched my videos, I've tried on several stones, different grits, textures. I have the general idea how to do it. As far as a whetstone goes, or a Norton oil stone, rather, anything like that, I'm about as useless as it's going to get. I've tried it and I can't do it. And people like me that, you know, a rig like this is not a bad way to go. This actually is even slightly better than some of the other ones I've seen, where you use the same idea with a prefixed angle already there for you. This actually seems to go good, you know, with my kitchen knives all around. This Orange Ninja, I actually like this thing. This actually seems to work. It will just know, and common sense should probably tell you this. I don't care what they advertise. I can't even remember if they did advertise, but this will never, ever in a million years get any knife you have razor sharp. That's never going to happen. But it does give you a very usable sharpening of your blade that you can use, so you're not using too much pressure when you're cutting. It definitely will do that for you, and very well. But you're never going to be able to get to the point where you're taking knives and running them through this thing, just like any other similar sharpener device or rig with a very similar method, and start shaving hair. You're lucky if you can. You're lucky if you can pass a riveting test with a piece of paper. It will definitely make cutting a lot easier. I've noticed that, but that's about all you can expect with something like this. So if you're anything like me, this is not a bad one to go with because it does do really well, and it's very easy to use. But know what to expect. I mean, in general anyway. But this is not a bad one.
All the way down to a 12. I've sharpened kitchen knives, pocket knives, brisket knives, and a whole assortment. Everyday carry knife. Every day when I come home, have it. Set it to 21. Very easy to use. It's got directional arrows, which way you pull the knife. Got a nice guard for your hand. Take your knife, of course. And you can see the blade and the edge that it puts on it. Really smooth finish. Keep it sharp every day. Cut your hands with dull knives.
So this review is for the Orange Ninja angle adjust knife sharpener. This thing is pretty freaking amazing. Set the adjuster to 24. I've got my knife also I got on Amazon, and it's a Tac Force, and literally a couple of swipes going in the direction of the arrows showing here on the coarse, a couple of swipes on the medium, and a couple of swipes on the fine, and this thing is sharp instantaneously. I can't even tell you, like, the knife was okay coming out of the box, but this thing is like razor blade sharp. I was slicing through some paper and stuff with it earlier. Hands down, this is a great product, the Orange Ninja. I was skeptical when buying it, but not skeptical anymore. This thing is awesome. Get it today.
Alright, so this is the Orange Ninja. I bought it because I'm like drunk, I guess. I'm like, I don't know if I want this, but it comes with the angle adjust, which is huge. So I have this old shun knife. Beat the hell out of it. I don't know if I can see. You can see here. Yeah, look at that edge. Seriously, terrible. Guess what we did? We just pulled it through that orange sharpener. Now that is a Roma tomato out of the garden. I'm just gonna kind of give it a little. Seriously, amazing. See, you can tell it's out of the garden. It's still got a worm in it. Very sharp.